Welcome to the Solax instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax X3-HYB G4 Pro. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Before installation, please note that the following conditions are met. The temperature needs to be between -35 degrees and 60 degrees. Humidity needs to be 0 to 100% and remember no direct sunlight, rain or snow. Inverter need to be protected from direct sea air. Load-bearing walls need to carry 4 times the weight of the inverter. The inverter should be mounted at a rearward tilt angle of no more than 5 degrees, avoiding forward, sideways or inverted mounting. Please prepare the following tools for installation. Let's check the surface of Solax X3-HYB G4 Pro. Strip the cable by wire stripper. Use a crimping tool to squish the terminal. For 5-core cables, pay attention to the following 2 lengths when stripping cables. Remove the AC connector and insert the wire through it. Cut the waterproof plug. If you don't need to connect the EPS port, you don't have to cut through the EPS waterproof cover. Connect L1, L2, L3, N and PE to the corresponding holes, tighten the lock nut. For PE connection, strip the cable by wire stripper. Use a crimping tool to squish the terminal. Sleeve the heat shrink tubing over the PE wire. Then use a heat gun to blow the tubing. Fit the positioning cardboard to the wall and use a level to adjust the cardboard to a horizontal position. After marking the mark, remove the cardboard. Fix the bracket. Open the handles on both sides of the inverter, lift the inverter up and hang it on the bracket, locking the side screws. Connect the PE cable. X3-HYB G4 Pro is supplied with 2 grounding terminals and you can simply connect one of the grounding terminal screws. Plug the AC connector into the grid and EPS port. The AC connector latch will automatically reset. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage between the positive and negative terminals of the PV connector. Make sure that the open circuit voltage of the PV connector does not exceed the inverter's maximum operating voltage, 950 volt. Connect the PV cable. Please be sure to plug in used ports with dust plugs. Please use lithium-ion battery from Solax. For more details, please refer to the user manual. In this installation, we use T58 as an example. Connect the power cable. Please be sure to plug in used ports with dust plugs. Let's check the definition of the COM1 port and COM2 port. Loosen the screw on the COM1 port and remove the connector. If you connect 2 strings of batteries, you need to connect both BMS1 and BMS2 port. Insert the cable through the waterproof cover. If extended communication cable for CT is needed, please use the RJ45 connector. Please note that the arrow on the CT must point at the public grid. When using the 3-phase CT, please clip the CT clamps on the corresponding phases. Connect the dongle. Turn on the RCBO and check the status of the LED indicator. Turn on the DC switch. Turn on the AC breaker and wait for the inverter power on. Then turn on the battery switch and power it on. In a normal state, the power, today, and battery information will be displayed. In an error state, the fault message and error code will be displayed. You can switch system on or off. For work modes, you can choose from the following modes: self-use, feed-in priority, backup mode, manual, peak shaving, 2, smart schedule. For settings, a password is required. For the password, please consult with Solax authorized installers. After entering, you can set the data and time of the inverter. And choose the language. For advanced settings, mainly safety code, export control, meter or CT will be involved. You can choose the safety code according to the local requirements. Also, the inverter can do zero export control. By default, the inverter is set to CT. Change to meter if the inverter is connected to a meter. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code to download the Solax Cloud app. Firstly, input the username and password to log in the app. If you do not have an account yet, click Create a new account in the bottom. Secondly, touch the plus icon in the middle of the page. Fill in the site information to create a site, such as site name, size, location, etc., and scan the QR code of the pocket Wi-Fi to add the inverter. Next, configure Wi-Fi connection for the Wi-Fi module. For more information about the operation of Wi-Fi configuration, please refer to the Wi-Fi dongle video. Touch the device icon and then touch the settings button to enter the settings page. Settings includes user settings and advanced settings. Once you access the System On or OFF interface, you can remotely configure the system to turn on or OFF as desired. After entering into the Work Mode interface, you can set self-use, feed-in priority, backup mode, manual, peak shaving, schedule as follows. The default password should be set by Solax authorized installers. After entering into the user settings interface, you can set the data and time firstly. The inverter provides multiple languages for users to choose. Here you can set safety code according to different grid-tied standards. Please refer to the table for some main codes. Set the system maximum allowed feed-in power to the grid. Especially, when there is a zero injection requirement, just set the value to be 0. By default, the inverter is set to CT. Change to meter if the inverter is connected to a meter.